So I went ahead and wired the red wire where the positive comes in from the battery, or just the red one. So just tied these two together. This one, it says to go to a switched ignition source, so when you have the key on, but I'd rather have this thing available whether the key's on or off. So it says you can just take that to battery power when you're not installing it in the vehicle, but I'd rather have it available all the time. So wired it there. I think this is just got to put these boots on. Ground to the battery, positive to the battery. Of course, it does have a disconnect switch if I want to wire that in, which is right here. Alright, that should be it. Got the disconnect switch here. I guess we'll call it a relay here. Like I said, I wired. There's the red wire is supposed to be for ignition switch, but I got it. It said you can put it on constant power, which I like because I want the winch to be available all the time, not just when the key's on. So we got the lead running to the battery, out of the disconnect to the relay. Everything is tied in. Then the other wire with a plug goes across. Down here. Then this is where I plugged in the switch for the dash switch. This cable runs under here, through here, and I just made this little plate here for now. I just couldn't commit on cutting a big hole in my dash yet because I don't know where exactly I want it. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is take some of this plastic and make a plate to cover here. That way I can put this switch as well as this is my little exhaust fan, and I got LED over here, so maybe I'll make a little switch panel and replace these with some nice switches right here. But for now, that's going to work. And then right here is the port for the handheld remote. It's going to plug in there. Nice and convenient right up front. That should be that.